Today we're going to make this miniature succulent garden with a method that we used in a previous video to make a pot. I will link that at the end, and if you would subscribe to the like button in the corner and share our videos if you find this videos useful. Thank you for joining us. Okay, it's another rainy day, so we're back in the little greenhouse, and this little bowl that we made some time back, we're going to plant some little succulents in that bowl. Okay, first thing that we need to do is get us some cuttings. And we'll take this one off the mother plant, and we'll take this one, and we'll take that one, and then we'll set this one back to the side. And my little bathtub is starting to get full, and this one's starting to droop, so we're going to take that one off there, and we'll cut it there. And on succulents like this, it's best to leave them set out for a few days and let them scab over. Is the best way and more sure way of them to start rooting. But succulents are ones that they want to root. They root very easy. You've seen how big and healthy this one was. This one sits in the window of my bathroom, and there's no drain holes in it. When I water it heavy, and then I'll let it dry completely back out to where it's just dust in there, and then I'll water it heavy. Sometimes it'll go a month or two without getting watered. And then from there, we'll set these to the side. Okay. What we're using is a cactus mix. It's a good draining soil for succulents and different types of stuff that doesn't like to stay wet. And this is a little dry. We'll moisten it up a little bit. And what we'll do is get us a hole in there. Get one in there. Get us another hole. And another one. Succulents are real easy. They require probably right next to no care, at least of any plant that I know of. They can go dry for a month at a time, and you water them and they'll come right back. They do very well, and that's all there is to it. Then again, like I said before, it's a rainy day, so we really couldn't get out and do a lot, and I was trying to get y'all another video out. So you do your cuttings of your succulents. It's usually best to let them set for a day or so and let them scab over. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and share it with all of your friends, and give us that thumbs up. And you can also click that bell icon at the bottom, and every time we upload a new video, it'll send you a message saying that we've done so.